I have the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2, and I'll be showing you how to restart this watch. Now, if you're encountering some problems like the watch being slow or some other kind of problem, a restart usually fixes most of these issues. So to restart your watch, two methods. First, and the easiest, is to long press on this button. So just long press on it until this power menu comes up, and you should see the option to power off or restart. So just tap on restart and then tap on that button again, and that's going to restart the watch. Now, another way of doing this is to go to the main menu by pressing the crown once. On the main menu, scroll and look for settings. Under settings, scroll until you get to system menu, tap on that, and then you should see the option to restart once again. So you can tap on that and then tap on that again to restart the watch. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.